When you want to get started buying Bitcoin, it can be a pretty scary place to start. In this video, I'm going to clear up some of that confusion for you so you can get started on the right foot. Thanks for tuning in, and let's get into the video. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the Savvy Bitcoin Wallet. Today we're doing a video on how to buy Bitcoin, what's the best wallet to use, and whether you should be buying Bitcoin versus Ethereum. To kick things off, you're going to need to know where to buy your Bitcoin. I use Coinbase, and this is a really good platform to buy Bitcoin and Ethereum or any other altcoins that you want to buy. You can see down here when you come to Coinbase that they have a lot of different tokens that you can use. I'll leave a link to Coinbase down in the description so you can go check it out for yourself. So the first thing you're going to need to do is sign in or get started. You can just create your account, put in all the information that they ask, and start buying your Bitcoin. After you've made your account and logged in, you're going to see a screen like this. So you have home, portfolio, prices, and earn rewards. You're not going to really need to worry about this part. You just need to stick with home, portfolio, and prices. When you want to actually buy the Bitcoin, you're going to come over here to prices, and you're going to see Bitcoin is the first one. You're going to click on this blue button that says trade, and it's going to prompt you with this white box that says buy, sell, and convert. So if you already have some cryptocurrency on the Coinbase exchange, you can convert it to Bitcoin from whatever asset that you choose. Buying is really easy. You can just type in the amount of Bitcoin as a decimal, or 1 Bitcoin if you're really a baller, or you can just use dollars, or whatever your national currency is. It's important to know that when you buy the Bitcoin, it will be staying in your portfolio here on your Coinbase account. So you can go to portfolio and you'll see that I have no Bitcoin here right now. And you're probably wondering why that is if I'm making a video on how to buy Bitcoin when I have no Bitcoin. I actually don't hold my Bitcoin on Coinbase. I use an external wallet called Exodus, and it looks like this. So this is Exodus, and I like it because it's simple. Simplicity is key when you're doing things in crypto, and that's why I love this Exodus wallet. If you scroll down here, you can see all the other tokens that you can use, and you can click here and go to wallet, and it'll show you again how much Bitcoin you have and all your transaction history, and you can click on the other sides and go through the tokens. The exchange feature is also a great feature that Exodus has, and it looks like this. You can exchange your Bitcoin into Ethereum or any of your other tokens, like I said before. I'll leave a link in the description to the Exodus wallet, and I just wanted to tell you guys a little bit more about why I use this wallet. So when you're on Coinbase, they don't really want you to be sending Bitcoin and receiving Bitcoin like crazy to all these other platforms and exchanges that you might be using to make more money in crypto. No one wants you guys to be rich. It's important that you send all of your Bitcoin or all of your Ethereum, whatever crypto you use, to your Exodus, and that should serve as a middleman for all the transactions that you make in crypto. So if you're, let's say, using a platform like Cubitek, that's a platform that I talk about a lot here on the Savvy Bitcoin Wallet. You would buy your Coinbase Bitcoin and send it to your Exodus wallet. To send the Bitcoin, all you would do is come up here and click send, and you would type in the amount of Bitcoin that you want to send to your Exodus wallet. So you would go here, enter the address of your Exodus wallet. So all you would need to do is come up and click Exodus, go to your wallet, and hit receive. It's important that you hit receive and not send on Exodus. So you would come over, click this arrow so that you're using not the address that starts with BC. You want to use this one. You would copy this address and then come back over to Coinbase and type that in right here. So just type in the amount you want, and you would hit continue, and then you can send your Bitcoin. It should be very quick, and you will have your money in your Exodus wallet in no time. That's why I mentioned before that I don't hold my Bitcoin on Coinbase. I use the external wallet Exodus. You send your Bitcoin to Exodus, then you use Exodus to deposit it to whatever platform or exchange you're using to trade or make passive income. When you withdraw from those exchanges or platforms, you withdraw to your Exodus wallet, like the middleman I mentioned before, and send it back to Coinbase to cash out. It's really important to know that because Coinbase can shut down your account or block your account if they think you're doing anything weird or risky or non-traditional in crypto. Having Exodus just gives me a little bit extra protection, and that's really important in the cryptocurrency space. So I really like it, and I will leave the link in the description for you guys to go check it out. Downloading is pretty simple. Just follow the on-screen instructions after you click the link, and I highly recommend this Bitcoin wallet. So to cap this video off, I just wanted to talk a little bit about Bitcoin versus Ethereum. So over the past, let's say 6 months, we've been in a bull run for crypto for sure. Bitcoin and Ethereum have tracked each other pretty closely, but there's been a recent split and Bitcoin started taking off a lot more in proportion to Ethereum. Now, the market cap for both of these tokens is still small when compared to, let's say, stocks or the stock market, and there's definitely a lot of money flooding into the cryptocurrency space right now. I think a lot of people are heading towards Bitcoin versus Ethereum because they just hear the name more often thrown around in the news, and Ethereum can be kind of confusing with the Ethereum blockchain and all the things that it's used for, not just a token. Bitcoin is kind of seeing a lot more attention, and I think that Bitcoin could have a bigger future than Ethereum. Now, these two coins are definitely the top two cryptocurrencies as opposed to all the other altcoins, and I really don't see much of a future for all those other digital currencies. These two are definitely going to be the main ones, and there's actually a very good strategy that you can use having these two tokens called core compounding. I definitely will make a video on that in the future because it's a fantastic way to really make money in crypto, and it's somewhat passive income with a very mild form of active work that you need to do. The strategy was created by the Oracle himself, and I think it is just flat out genius. The strategy can be done with stocks as well, but with just Bitcoin versus Ethereum, it can be done as well. Bitcoin definitely has a bright future ahead of it, with a lot of people seeing it as the internet gold, you could say. So I think it's definitely something to look into, but these two tokens are a very good buy, and you can make money with both of them. You can see on a lot of exchanges that they do accept Bitcoin and Ethereum, but not as much all the time the other tokens. Sometimes you could see that, but it's not as often. So Bitcoin versus Ethereum, it's a very interesting topic, and I'm excited to see how they track each other and how we move forward into this crypto bull run, because it's a very exciting time, and it's a great time to get into crypto and make some money. So if you like the content on the channel, make sure to subscribe, like, and comment on the videos, and I hope you guys stick around for more because I'll be doing more videos on how to get into crypto and how to start making money in crypto. As for Cubitech, I will definitely keep making videos on that, and if you want to get into Cubitech, I'll leave a link in the description and a link to the playlist that I have so far. Thank you guys for tuning in. My subscribers, you guys are amazing. Have a good day.